Today we have this new toy, Milwaukee 2880 angle grinder, battery operated, M18. This is the bare tool that I got. It does not come with any battery because I have a bunch of these battery laying around. So first you want to install the protector, the cover, or you don't. I know some people who don't use it, but for your safety's sake, I highly recommend you use it. Go ahead and put it in, align all of the groove into position, and then twist it counterclockwise. There's this slot right here. It just clicks right in, and there's 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you want to change position, go ahead and press on this lever. And now you can change it to whatever position you want. There's also this plastic piece, but I have absolutely no idea what it is. If you do, please let me know. I know that I can slide it right over, and that's basically about it. But what does it do? No idea. Next, you'll want to grab this piece right here. There's an indentation, and that indentation matches with this bottom indentation of the angle grinder. There you go. You know it's in because now you can't even twist it around. Next up, grab your blade and put it in. I don't have one around with me at the moment. Mine are all in the basement. So once the blade is in, next you want to secure it into position with this piece. It has 4 holes in it. And depending on how thick the blade is, you'll want it to be in this position or that position. You'll want to make sure that this is tight. So on this side, there's a button. Press on it. Now it's in lock position for you to further secure it with this tool that's included. Make sure that this sticks out onto the holes. And now turn it clockwise to secure everything down into position. Like so. Clockwise. If you want, you can also attach this handle if you're doing something really, really extra heavy duty. And also, it's kind of comfortable. Now that everything is fully assembled, go ahead and grab your battery pack, insert it in. Click, you're in. Let me tighten this one more time, just to be sure before we turn it on. Okay, it's good. To turn this on, you have to flip this lever up and then press this paddle down. So it's up and then down. It's really nice because this thing has a mechanism in it. So as soon as power is cut, then the blade will stop spinning almost immediately, because you definitely don't want the blade to be spinning around when you're done. That's why when you stop, you can hear that loose grinding wheel bearing kind of thing. Let's do it one more time. Lift this up, press the paddle down. Yep, there you go. There's no way you can accidentally power the unit on. Go ahead. See? No way. Because this lever right here is in the way of the paddle. But of course, every time you change blade, I highly recommend that you pop the battery out. Just in case, you never know. When cutting with this tool, a lot of things will be flying around, spitting out of the angle grinder. I highly recommend you wear a face shield. I tried one of those safety glasses, but that did not work well. One of the metal pieces flew into my eye, and that was like a $200 hospital bill right there, even though I have insurance. So yeah, I highly recommend using a face shield and of course a earplugs. Oh yeah, right here. This thing is 3D printed. I don't know if you can see it, but it's the white piece. And that is where I put this tool to hold in position. Otherwise, I'll lose this tool for sure. If you lose this tool, well, there's no way you can release this thing anymore without buying another one of these. So be sure never to lose this. And of course, I have the STL file for you to print this 3D printed part so that you'll never lose this. This and this will come together. And that's basically it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to use your new angle grinder or even use angle grinder. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel, and thanks for watching.